Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bar graph in Google Sheets. Whether you're a student organizing data for a class project or an analyst needing visualization for a report, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and intuitive. First, let's begin by entering your data. Open Google Sheets and type your data in the appropriate cells. Ensure the data is well organized. Typically, you'll have one column for categories, like shirt colors, and another for their corresponding values. For instance, the number of students wearing each color. Taking a moment to check that each value is correctly entered will save you time later. Now that you've entered your data, highlight all the cells that you used. It's important to select all relevant data, including headers if you have them, as this ensures your graph is complete and understandable. With your data highlighted, navigate to the Insert menu located at the top of the page. Click on Chart, and Google Sheets will insert a default chart based on your data. For this demonstration, we're focusing on creating a column chart, also known as a bar graph, which is ideal for comparing different categories. After your chart appears, head over to the Chart Editor panel on the right. Here, you'll want to click on the Setup tab if it isn't already open and confirm the chart type is set to column chart. Once that's set, proceed to click on the Customize tab. In the Chart Style section, you can make aesthetic choices such as turning on the 3D feature for a more dynamic look, or sticking with the classic 2D option. It's entirely up to your preference. Next, click on Chart and Axis Titles. This is where you can personalize your chart with titles for clarity. Start by clicking on Chart Title and enter a descriptive name. For example, you might use something like Shirt Color of Freshman Students. Choosing to alter the font or text color will enhance your chart's appeal. Don't forget to center your title for a balanced look. After setting your chart title, select Horizontal Axis Title from the drop-down menu. Here, you can label this axis according to your categories, such as shirt color. Adjust the font size to around 20 for better readability. Feel free to align this title left, right, or center, whichever you prefer. Now, select Vertical Axis Title. This will label the axis representing your data values. In this case, number of students might be appropriate. Again, adjust the font size and color to fit your style. Finally, you're about done. Click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of your chart for additional options, like editing, deleting, or downloading your chart. And that's it. You've successfully created a bar graph in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.